Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be multiplying numbers with common initial digits. In this example, 38 times 34. And our common digit is number 3. Our uncommon digits are 8 and 4. Step 1, multiply the uncommon digits. So 8 times 4 equals 32. Notice how the product is placed. If you can see, 3 is a little forward than number 2. So step 2, add the uncommon digits. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. Then multiply the sum with the common digit. So 3, which is the common digit of the numbers, times 12 equals 36. And it is placed the same way as the products from the uncommon digits. Step 3, multiply the common digits. 3 times 3, we get 9, and you place it under the first number of the answer from step 2. And then step 4, we add the products as shown, and you get 1,292. And that's the final answer. So 38 times 34 is 1,292. See how cool that technique was? Try it yourself. If you liked this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.